to the tram. I got here yesterday, but that's not the point. The point is today we're going out and about in the sea for some snorkeling, and I booked this tour via Klook, not sponsored. And basically it's like island hopping. They'll take you around many islands. You can snorkel, you have water activities, you have breakfast and lunch, and I'm doing it by myself. We're on the boat on our way to snorkeling spot number 1. Weather's good, it's hot. Waiting to dock at the first site, and then we're gonna put our sunscreens, bikinis, everything on, get the gear, and I do have the case that you can take inside the water, but is it worth the risk? It's not. Yeah, it's not. So I'm gonna be fine. The last time I was snorkeling was on my birthday last year in Thailand. Miss you, Darcy, if you're watching this video. And yeah, it's become like a birthday tradition to do something, a trip that's snorkeling, water themed. On my birthday I was doing the Lanha Bay, but that was just jumping in the ocean. So today it's parasailing, snorkeling, jumping into the ocean. Basically it's like a floating party in the ocean. So it's gonna be amazing, and yeah, I'm very glad and I'm very grateful to be here. Also, anytime I'm in the ocean or on a boat, all I can think about are Keraya dialogues. I'm like, are we just messed up people? Yeah, it's funny. So I will keep you guys updated. It's so fun. I haven't been like on my own for so long. Like every time there's someone from the hostel, there's someone, but it's really nice to be all by myself in my own zone. It's a good change.
Rồi đi theo em Đạt nha. Ê, Rihanna. Let's go.
These are our party floats now. It's the upper floor. This is a slide that's being inflated to go in. We're gonna slide off. The boat has disappeared somewhere. Post lunch, everybody's waiting here. So I think it's swimming time again.